And so, as part of the how do you keep up with technology session I've kind of got going this week, I put in a link. It's if you go to theguyrcookreport.podbean.com, there's a sign up for free Linux training newsletter from the Linux Foundation. I've got the link in there. And that's the way you stay updated, learn valuable new skills, and it's free. That's right. It doesn't cost a penny to sign up for the Linux training from Linux Foundation. And who better than, as they oftentimes say, the horse's mouth, right? So remember, I've got them, so you can get them. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on guyrcook.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up on youtube.com and click the bell to subscribe to future episodes. It's a wrap.